This is Jack. Isn't he cute? And this is our dog's water bowl. Normally it's on that stool. He's thirsty, little boy. You got something right there. Oh. Glug. Glug. Yummy! Okay, I don't know if that's a good thing if he's looking at. Jack is the bunny, and our dog Wendy share this bowl, but we changed the water. But Jack has his own water bottle in the back, and then his litter box when he's hopping around. Bye-bye. Bye.